YouTube. Y'all want some Newedge content, so I got some wheels I'm finna be unboxing, and I'm gonna do a test fit on. I ain't got no tires, no motor, no transmission, none of that, just wheels. So we finna get into that. All right, first we about to get started with the, we're gonna get started with this front wheel. See what it look like. I think it's Aodhan. I don't know how to say it. I ain't gonna lie. Open it with my key. 19 by 9.5 for the front. Get down here and see what's going on. My grandma want to keep my box. Kick that out the way. Oh man, I don't want to sit him on the ground. Oh, yeah.
Sit on the other box.
I don't want to talk about
Or turn the box upside down.
Too late now.
Wow, damn.
Okay, yeah, that's the front. And first off, coming out the box, man, they dope, man. That's gonna look pretty good. If I keep it white or don't matter what color I go, that's gonna look good.
Yeah,
I
clean
just
right
like
there.
a chrome aluminum insert with the chrome studs going around it. 19 by 9.5. Aluminum finish, brush finish. That's clean. All right, now you're gonna open this back one. Then we're gonna do a test fit. And big shout out to Fitment Industries, whatever. Y'all get the picture. I'll put the link in the bio, in the description. They stocked me up with a good deal. And this is the back, 19 by 11. They came packaged pretty well. So I talked to a lot of folks. They told me these will look good either on the S197 or the Newedge. So that's really a plus. I might not even put them on the Newedge. 19 by 11. We about to do a side by side comparison. Same wheel, you know what I'm saying? Same finish. But as you can see, that wheel is a little bit wider than this one. Come over here so you can see it right here.
What side?
Yeah. Got dirt on them, but as you, this is the rear wheel. It's back. It's wider than the front one. So I got a stagger setup for this car. Now I'm finna start taking these old trash things off. And the car's sitting on coilovers, so I got a whole lot of work to do with this car, man. I can't even lie. There might be a waltz come out. Waltz come out. I'm running.
All right, I'm gonna stand back here.
Anybody got some Cobra brakes? Let me know. I got Cobra fronts or Cobra rears, one of the two. But the car is on BC coilovers right now because I bought them when I wrecked my S550. Because I was actually gonna start driving this car, but I ended up getting that one for a good deal. So yeah, that worked out. Gonna do a little test fit.
Oh shit, bruh, don't be doing that.
What the fuck? Okay, I guess that gotta come off. That hub thing, but it ain't gonna let the wheel set with the thing in there. Oh well, we put that back in a minute. Fitment is pretty decent. Actually, it's finna flush with how I sit, just like that. That's pretty nice. It's gonna look good with some wheels on it, with some tires on it. I was about to go into the front. I mean the back. Like I said, we're gonna hope no walls don't come out. I need a side skirt also. So if anybody got a link on side skirts or just any parts really, let me know. Make sure ain't no walls up under here. Yeah. And I need a drive shaft. You see my drive shaft right there on the ground. Now I gotta rebuild this whole car. Terrible, terrible. You gonna help me? Love you too.
I ain't give you no answer.
Love you too.
You ain't got no choice.
I got a choice. Look at that. Too many bugs out here, man.
Listen, I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, rear wheel. Look like it may stick out just a tad, but the car is leaning, so really can't tell how it's actually gonna look. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't got another jack stand, but no, can't do that. But anyways, it looked pretty decent. To say it ain't got no tires on it and it's leaning. So it's leaning. So the fitment gonna be a tad bit off. But fender flush, and since it's leaning, that one's sticking out far. But if I can find another jack stand and I can level it off, I'll show you what it look like. Level it off. So yeah, it look pretty good. Fitment pretty much flush. Got a little bit of stick out, not much. But I think as it sit on the ground, maybe camera the back some, it'll set off the way I need it to. The front, about flush as it's gonna get. Need a motor and a transmission. Need some carpet. Alright, so that's it. As you can see, the 19 by 11s, they ain't too wide. They may be a tad bit wider than the fender in the back, but as it gets lower down and cambered, I think it'll fit in perfect. The front, fender flush, no complaints about them, no complaints about the wheels or the finish on the wheels at all. So Aodhan, whatever the name of it, appreciate that. And hopefully we can get this car back on the road by August, something like that. But I'll be coming back weekly with updates on parts I'm getting for the car, things I'm doing for the car. I get those on some tires, I get some plywood and some more jack stands to set the car on. And yeah, we'll be back going along with my project. I'm out.